To watch videos in the S-Class, a video jack and an auxiliary jack need to be installed. Remove the glove box. Remove the side cover piece, using a plastic wedge. Remove the mounting screws and then unscrew the grille under the glove box. Remove the trim in front the passenger footwell, using a plastic wedge. Remove the mounting screws holding the glove box in surround. Remove the vent grille in front of the display and take out these mounting screws as well. Pull out the dashboard trim enough to remove the screws underneath it. Now it is easy to remove the glove box. Remove the command controller unit. First remove the covering. Unclip the trim piece below the CD player, using a plastic wedge. Remove the two lower screws on the covering. Open the cover plates for the upper screws and remove these screws. Close the screw cover plates. Note, this is to avoid breakage. Remove the covering of the command controller unit. Remove the 4 screws. Pull the command out just far enough to access the electrical connectors. Remove the soundproofing. Mark the drill point for auxiliary jack. To locate the correct drill point for the auxiliary jack, measure 25 mm from the side and 25 mm from the top. The hole for the auxiliary jack must be 18.5 mm in diameter. To locate the correct drill point for the video jack, measure 25 mm from the side and 50 mm from the top. The hole for the video jack must be 5.5 mm in diameter. Press the auxiliary jack into the glove box from the rear and the clip retainer on the jack from inside. Feed the yellow and black video jack line through the hole from the inside until the video jack is snug in the hole. Route the yellow and black the video jack line into the radio recess. Replace the glove box and fasten with screws. Detach the connector from the auxiliary jack line. Pull the white, the brown and the transparent wires out of the 3-pin connector. Pull the 20-pin contact carrier from the vehicle wiring harness out of the connector. Insert the auxiliary jack wires into the 20-pin contact carrier. Insert the transparent wire into slot 6. The brown wire into slot 5. And the white wire into slot 15. Video jack, black wire into slot 18. The yellow wire into slot 8. Insert the 20-pin contact carrier back into the connector, and reinstall the command. Configure the auxiliary jack in Star Diagnosis. In DAS, go to Audio and Telematics, then Command with Integral Telematics Gateway. Select Control Unit Adaptations. Confirm with F3. Under Read Coding, select Menu Settings. Changing the coding from Not Present to Present configures the auxiliary input. Press F3. Press F5 to transfer the coding to the control unit. The video and auxiliary jacks are ready for use. Connect the video camera to video jack with a cinch plug. Use an adapter to link the two audio wires with the auxiliary jack in the glove box. In the display menu, go to Video and select Auxiliary. Start the camera and view the film in display.